What's going on, everyone? Today is another one of the quick videos that I do. This one is on what I still use my Panasonic GH5 for today in 2020. I've had this camera since it first came out in 2017, and as you know, there are a lot of new cameras that are out today. And what I use it for is I film a lot of keynote speakers, so events, and for weddings I use it to capture the whole, have a backup cam on the whole ceremony. What I love about the Panasonic cameras in general are they have no record limit. That is the benefit of this camera. I can let it run and don't have to go and check up on it. If you're looking for a B or C camera or your main camera, I use this for a main camera for a lot of years now. I definitely recommend it. I've also filmed a lot of stuff like weddings on boats under Niagara Falls. You get soaked, so having a camera like this that you can take on the boat also comes in handy. Kind of like a stunt camera, I guess, like having a GoPro or something that you're not worried about if it gets wrecked. Yeah, it's a good camera to have, and I can't see myself selling it anytime soon because for what I need it for, it does the job perfect. So that's that. Another quick video just in case you're looking for that B or C camera that you need to shoot long events and you don't want to spend that much money. Pick up a GH5. You can probably get a used one for under $1,000. Pretty sure new, they're only like $1,500 now. Something to keep in mind. Alright guys, until the next one. See ya.